about how can you sync on your Fly browser app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go down here, you click here on me down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click on your name, so then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you click here on sync settings, you select here what to sync here, then you click here on sync, then automatically it's going to sync with you here on your Fly browser app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.